Welcome. If you wanna turn on one-hand mode on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10, let's go to the settings, then scroll down and enter additional settings. Click on the one-handed mode, and with this marker we can turn on this option. And just let me show you how it works. So we have to swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to one side. So when you want to just pull it on the right side, swipe like this. And if you wanna just exit, click on the arena outside this mode, and on the left side just do the same, but of course to the left side. And this is how it works. You can also adjust the size of your one-hand mode. And yeah, this is how it looks. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.